My name is Lemuel Gale for the WIOA program, welding program.
Hey, I'm Jack Mercer with WIO Welding here. It's a 4-week course. Absolutely love it.
This program has been really good. I like all the different certifications that are here in this program. It's a 4-week program, not too long, not nothing too crazy. I love all the instructors, everybody, all the people I'm working with in the trailer. I found out about this program through school, through Gainesville High School's. I was in the construction classroom. Mr. Pete McGill came, and he showed us about the program, gave us some pamphlets, and signed up online, and I signed up, and I never regretted it, not one day. It's been a great program.
I heard about it from my friend's mom. She knew about the course, and I needed somewhere to help me look for a job or get some certifications so I can get a job. Many things I've learned from this program. I've learned how to weld, different types of welding, MIG, stick. I've learned forklift operations, many hard skills, many soft skills that are very useful in any type of job.
Sign up. I mean, it's a 4-week course. What can you lose? Yeah.